Alright, Sarah, auto replay back on this 2004 SLK 320. I'm going to start getting this gas pedal out. I already kind of started working on this. There's a little plastic cover that comes off here because it sits like that, and then there's a 10mm nut that comes out of this hole here. That's pretty easy. Now what I did, I took a pry bar and I pried it out because there's like a little tab that holds it up in that hole up there, so I just kind of pulled it down a little bit. Then unplugged this little side sensor. Then there's a little wire right here that snakes its way down, so kind of difficult to see, but it goes this way and plugs in there. So go ahead, unplug that, and then we'll get this carpet out of here. Alright, I'm going to work on moving some of this wiring back because that carpet actually goes behind here. I may end up cutting that in half back there, but I'm going to start moving some of these modules back and just getting this out the way. I got the gas pedal is out the way, so that's the last thing. The last little stuff right here, I may not have to cut this because I mean it'll be all right as long as I have a couple. Like I'm gonna leave probably this one piece here going across that'll hold it together, but let me see how I get this airbag out the way and all that stuff and go from there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this screw for this ground for these little blue wires. I already moved the nut for these brown grounds right here. There's one there and there's one coming from this side, so those don't look too terribly bad so far. So go ahead and take this one out. It's got a little stand. It's a lot of little wires to keep up with. But this already cut this side. I mean I just kind of broke that side right there, so this side is ready to come out. I may see if I could get this gear shift linkage out the way if need be. If not, I may just cut it and just zip tie it back together or something. So this is fairly easy. This there's just a little tab on the side here and one on the side there, and this you just release it, you know, by prying this out. I just took like a little computer screwdriver here and just pried it out, and this just comes out the way. So now I got everything out the way where I could take this carpet out and see what's underneath it. You say hi?
Hi. Woo! Hi.
Now, hold on, baby. I'll come right back. So this is the mess. Now all that was caused by having it sit in there. Oh man, what a mess. Alright. Well, I'm gonna see what these airbag, just like sensors on the side, and then see what those are. Those probably need to be replaced or something. And go from there. So the one thing that I just took off was I found out, did some research. I looked up the number, this 001-820-0726, and found out these are side airbag crash sensors, and they're sitting in here. I mean, they probably need to be replaced, or I'm probably gonna have to replace the connectors and all that. But you know, we do some research and go from there.